Hello, good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Can you introduce yourself?
I'm Villaruz. I'm 28 years old. I live in Agustina Bara, Ibisan, Capiz. I'm married. I have one kid. I have one brother and 4 sisters. I'm the eldest in the family.
How old is your child?
7 years old.
Who's going to take care of him when you go to Hong Kong?
My mother, ma'am.
Do you have an experience in working abroad before as a domestic helper?
Yes, ma'am.
In which country?
In Dubai.
How many are them in the family?
They are 5 members.
How long did you stay in that employer?
3 years.
So you finish your contract with them?
Yes, ma'am.
How about in the Philippines? Do you have an experience working as a domestic helper?
Yes, ma'am.
Who is your employer?
Rick Alonso.
How many are them in the family?
4 in the family.
How long did you stay in that employer?
2 years.
So you finish your contract with them too?
Yes, ma'am.
What are your main duties in your previous employer?
I taking care of the kids and also the household working, like cleaning, washing, cooking, ironing, and marketing. That's all, ma'am.
Why did you choose to work in Hong Kong?
I choose Hong Kong because of high salary than to other countries, and I want to earn and save money for the future of my child.
Do you know how to cook some simple Chinese food?
Yes, ma'am. Like steamed fish, steamed chicken, and fried rice.
Are you willing to learn more?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you willing to take care of a newborn baby?
Yes, ma'am.
How about an elder person?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, what can you teach to your employer's children?
I will teach them the good manners and right conduct, and I will teach them how to write, read, and sing.
Can you sing a nursery song?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you give an example, please?
Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are.
Okay, thank you. Now, what kind of employer are you looking for?
Nice and understanding, ma'am.
Are you afraid of dogs and cats?
No, ma'am.
So you're willing to take care of pets?
Yes, ma'am.
What can you say about yourself, your attitude?
I am obedient, patient, and hardworking, ma'am.
Can you give a short message to your future employer so that they will hire you?
Hi, ma'am, sir. I hope you will give me a chance to be your helper and in your family. I am responsible and hardworking, ma'am. I promise I will do my very best to do my duties very well. I am hardworking and responsible. That's all, ma'am.
Can you promise to follow the rules and regulations inside the house?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you promise to finish your 2 years contract?
Yes, ma'am.
Is that all?
That's all, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.